Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add electric currents on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and add a video that you want to edit. And in here, if you want to add electric currents, you just click on the effect at the bottom. And after this, in here you just click on a body effect, and at the menu you can click on the decoration, on emotion. You just click on it, and then in here you can see electric currents. You just click on it, and after this, in here you just click on the check icon, this one. Now you can adjust the effect, so you can click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the size and for the vertical shift. And after this, in here you just click on the check icon at the bottom. Now you can setting the effect until the end of the video and finish. So that's how to add electric currents on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.